Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to make TikTok account private. The process is straightforward and effortless. And also we will discuss the benefit of making your TikTok account private. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the process. The first thing is open your TikTok application. After it opens, you can see your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on this profile icon. And from here, take a look on the right top, you will see these 3 lines. Tap on these lines, and tap on the last option settings and privacy. And here on the second number, you can see the option privacy. Tap on it. And on the first number, you can see the option private account. And here is the benefit of private account. Only user you can approve can follow and watch your video, and all your existing followers list will not be effective. Means he can still watch your video on TikTok. So tap here and turn it on. Now your account on TikTok has been set to private. Now without your approval, no one can follow you and can't watch your video. So it was the benefit of making your account private on TikTok. And by this method, you can make your account private and secure from others.